I'm in a small town called El Naranja in Mexico, close to Tulum. It's about 2 hours away from Tulum. I've decided to give Mexico another chance and just not base a country based on few incidents that happen. So I'm here and it's a beautiful place. I came here on a workaway to volunteer at a farm, and it's a beautiful, beautiful farm. Let's go in. These are the dogs, beautiful dogs. And there you go. That's the house. Welcome back to another episode in Mexico, guys. The name of the farm is called the Republic of Corn. The mission of the farm is to protect the ancient corn seeds, so hence the name. Perks of living in a farm. This is the cat, and look at how crazy he sleeps. Meet Lexi and Victor, who host this beautiful workaway experience. Well, apart from humans, we also have few animals in this farm. The horses, the cat, few dogs, the chickens. Yep, lot of fun with animals. Oh, did I mention the property also has a fish pond? You can go fish and meet the local kids who sometimes come fishing here. When it comes to the workaway experience, the work really here is the farm work. You gotta feed the animals, the chicken, the horses, and just give a helping hand to the hosts whenever they need some help. Usually just very few hours of work, but very rewarding experience. Bye. Nice girl. When you're here, you're away from all the hustle bustle and just in the nature, because there is not even a cell phone signal here to distract you. So you're just present there, just listening to the sounds of the birds and the animals. If you want to learn a new skill, the host knows how to weave a hammock, and she can teach you how to make tortillas, or there's lots of things to learn and or do here, so you will never be bored. This is us making some tortillas and some tamales. Lexi can teach you how to make tortillas from scratch, like from the corn which has been grown in this farm. Hello, little piggy. I'm sorry, you're not so little. When you're bored, you can go for a stroll in the village or go for a walk in the forest, which is right next to the property.
I'm gonna show you one of the coolest things from this place. It's just been collecting them here. It's all
So you collected all of this stuff while you are working with the land.
Yep.
And
basically
this is a knife. Wow, and this looks like some kind of coin.
Yep.
And another sharp stone, and probably another tool which they might have used.
The Mayans used to break their stuff and put it in the soil so it collects humidity,
Yeah.
retains humidity for the soil. So basically, yeah, we just find them and
And this would be so nice to go into a museum also, but it's a little museum here. And this land has so much history with the Mayans. These
All
are
these big
these are the
stone, it's
clay.
also like,
This is all clay and
Yeah.
from an ancient time
yeah.
and found
Even
in
the
this land.
patterns are like non-thing anymore around here.
Yeah, these patterns, really old clay.
It's very cool stuff.
This place is the best to get a culturally immersive experience because just 2 minutes away from the property lives this amazing senora who can teach you some embroidery and can teach you how to cook some tortillas as well. And sometimes she cooks tortillas for sale for a very cheap price, and you can eat at her place. By the way, whenever she cooked, I never missed a chance to eat at her place. So delicious, so delicious. Well, if you have a leaky roof, you can also learn how to thatch your roof with the local palm leaf. The opportunities here are unlimited. So many things to learn, guys. This property also has a tree house built over a mango tree. So let's say you do not want to volunteer but want to enjoy the tranquility of this space, you can also book it on Airbnb and stay on this tree house. This place is full of fruit trees, starting from mangoes, avocados, bananas, papayas. The list is endless, and all you need to do is go on a stroll, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something to eat. And these are the beautiful hammocks the local women from the El Naranja village make, and you can also buy them. This is the beautiful composting toilet on the property. I promise you guys, it doesn't smell at all. It's a very efficient composting toilet. What I like about this property is everything has loads of character to it. I loved my experience in this farm thoroughly, and thank you, Lexi and Victor, for being such an amazing host. And that's all for this episode, and see you guys in another episode. Bye bye.